Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and account so setup goes smoothly. First, plug the Max Buzz in and charge it to about 50%. This prevents interruptions. Next, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and that you know your Wi-Fi name and password. Then open the Virgin Pulse app, sign in or create a new account, and accept basic permissions. Once done, you'll be ready to pair the device. Make sure notifications are allowed so pairing prompts appear. Now you handle pairing and the important calibration steps. In the app, choose Add Device and pick Max Buzz. The app will search and show a pairing code. Verify that code on the device and accept pairing. If a firmware update appears, install it. Delays are normal while the device updates. After that, follow the calibration prompts. Wear the tracker as instructed, indicate your dominant hand, and let it sync a few minutes so step counting and heart rate baselines adjust correctly. Finish by confirming settings and testing the device so you know it works. You should check that daily sync is enabled, notifications are configured, and your activity goals reflect your routine. Then do a short 1-minute walk and watch steps and heart rate update in the app. This proves the pipeline is live. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart the Max Buzz, then re-attempt pairing. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.